Okay, the second part of solving the first layer of the Rubik's Cube is to complete this white face. In step one, by looking at the yellow face, you inputted the white squares and then flipped them over to form the white cross. So while it may be visually easier to solve and look at the top layer on the top while you're doing it, if you ever want to solve the cube with any kind of speed, um, you'll want to go ahead and learn how to do all of that on the bottom, so just to make it easier for the future. So anyway, so I need to insert these four pieces. Now to do that, I'm going to look in my top layer and find a cube that has a white sticker, which I have several. Here's one we'll take as our first example. What you're going to do is not worry about this color that's on top, which is green, but look at the color that is on the side, which is red. What you're going to do is you're going to line up that color with its center. So here's red, here's actually the red center. So we're just going to turn the top layer so that the corresponding color is diagonal of its center. Okay, so this is what you're going to, these are the moves that you're going to do to actually put this corner piece in place. You're going to turn the face with the white sticker. You're going to turn it away from you. Okay, there it is. And then you're going to bring it back to you. Okay. And then you're going to put it back down. Okay. So as you can see, you inserted that white piece, and you know it's the correct position because you have green on the green face and red on the red face. So anyway, looking back at the yellow, you want to do again, look around and find a white sticker on this top layer. Here's another one. You look at the color, it's got yellow, orange on top, but you don't worry about that. You look at the green, and you're going to line up the green with the green center, which it's actually already lined up. So you're going to do the exact same moves. This is the position, as you can see, green and orange, green and orange. So what you've done is you've put the cube, by lining up this color, you've put the cube directly above where it needs to go. So that's all you're doing. So we're going to kick it out. Okay, now here's the position. This is where you want it to go. So you've moved that position up. Now here's your sticker. So you're going to put it in place. And now you're just going to put it back on the cross and put it back on the white face. Down. Alright, so now you've got two corners. Orange and green. And red and green. Looking back at the yellow face, you're going to find another sticker. Here's one. We've got red. So you're going to find the red center, which is going to be over here. So you're going to spin this around so it lines up with the red center. Now you'll notice that this is actually on the other side. Instead of spinning the right face, this time you're going to actually spin the left face. But you're doing the same moves, it's just on the other side, okay? Because this is where it needs to go. So you're going to kick it out right here, then bring it back to you, and then put it back down. There, now you've got 3 out of the 4. Okay, again, look in the top layer. Now occasionally, looks like I've looked up and every one of my corner pieces have ended up in the top layer. Occasionally you'll end up where this piece may be in the bottom layer. It's just in the wrong corner. All you're going to do, if this, say this piece was out of place, all you're going to have to do is bring that piece up, spin the top layer twice, and then bring it back down. And you'll leave everything intact here, but you'll have taken that piece and put it in the top layer on one of these sides. So it's very simple. If you run into that situation, you can probably figure it out just by looking at the cube. But anyway, so we've got blue here. We're going to find the blue center, which is right here. So spin it around. Again, we've ended up on this side. Here's our piece. That's where we want it to go. So we're going to turn it like this so you can see. Keep that piece up. I'm going to put it right here. Put it in place. Alright, now I'm going to put it back down to complete the white face. Now, not only have you solved the first layer, but you've got the center cube of the second layer, red, matching up. And that is how you solve the first layer. Next step will be to complete the second layer, and that is just inserting these 4 corner pieces with the correct piece.